What's up, guys? Here with another video. Gonna do a little cold start on my dad's XR400 today. It's back there. It's been sitting for a few months, and yeah, I just thought I'd knock the dust off and show you guys how clean of a bike it is. Of course, behind my bike we got 400. It's been sitting since May. It's July 24th now. Got a couple things in the way, but get it out driveway and get a sound check for you guys. So if you're a long-time viewer of my channel, you know that this is my dad's 1999 XR400. We've had it for about 5 years now, and it's really well taken care of. We bought it in 2019. Had really low hours on it. Haven't put that many hours on it since then. There's only like one video on my channel about it, and it's actually my highest viewed video. So I thought, make another video showing a lot closer up and showing a little more detail on it. So I'm gonna start it up and see how it sounds. It's all the way cold. Hasn't started. What an awesome bike. This thing starts every time, no problem. Easy to maintain. Fun bike, lots of torque. Glad we got it. Okay guys, you want to see more videos like this? Or more videos on the XR400? Just like and subscribe. I'm sure to make some more videos on that bike. It's really fun and makes for some good content. So see you guys in the next video.